This is a Stanford Learning Lab tutorial showing how to use the Pomodoro Technique to improve productivity within an academic context. We'll cover the main aspects of the Pomodoro Technique, why it works, and a few applications you can use to get started. The Pomodoro Technique is a popular time management system that consists of working in 25-minute increments separated by 5-minute breaks. This structure provides several benefits. First, it accounts for the fact that people are unlikely to stay focused on a task for too long without requiring a break, and powering through the fatigue can result in diminishing returns. Second, it encourages people to break down their larger tasks into smaller ones that can be completed in 25-minute increments. This is especially useful for vague and even intimidating assignments like long-form essays, dissertations, and studying for standardized tests. Third, this technique provides a consistent structure to every work session. So even though your assignments might vary, there is still an underlying process that can become habitual and routine. Let's review a few variations on how you can implement the Pomodoro technique. One option is to use a physical timer, perhaps one shaped like a Pomodoro after the namesake of the technique, or a timer on your phone. However, there are a few options that require less monitoring of your time. Pomodoro Focus opens on your browser and allows you to add tasks that you want to accomplish. Additionally, it will ask you to estimate how many Pomodoro sessions you think it will take. Then you can begin work by starting a 25-minute timer. You will then get an alert to start a 5-minute timer for a short break. If needed, you can use a 15-minute timer for a longer break. You can also customize the time intervals to best suit your needs under the settings section, as well as change the timer auto start functions and notification settings. Observing data is a great way to track your progress and reinforce your work routine, so Pomodoro Focus gives you both summary and detailed data reports. Another application is Kanban Flow. This application combines your to-do list with the Pomodoro technique, so like any to-do list, you can add tasks, describe them, change the labeling and due date information, and then you can also add subtasks to help you manage assignments. So if I wanted to work on this research proposal now, I could drag it over to the In Progress column. Then I can start the Pomodoro timer. And as you work, you can then check off the tasks and subtasks and watch them disappear. You can also invite people to see your board and create shareable boards, which makes this an effective tool for group projects and assignments. For iPhone and iPad users, there are also a few popular and highly rated applications. The Forest app adds a unique gamification element to structured productivity sessions. As you successfully accomplish tasks, you see a visualized forest grow, with each tree indicating a specific task that you're working to complete. Be Focused is another application that allows you to set a Pomodoro timer, manage tasks with several customizable features, and track progress with detailed visual graphics, which make data easy to interpret. There are many ways to apply the Pomodoro technique to improve productivity. You can alter the time intervals to suit your needs and integrate apps to help you manage time. The links to the applications discussed are in the description of this video. If you want to integrate some of these approaches with the help of a learning specialist, please contact the Stanford Learning Lab. Thank you for listening.